PPT on demand.
Still tired of making PPT? No more. Demand your PPT on PPT on demand.
PPT on demand.
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we'll be exploring digital twin technology, bridging the physical and digital worlds. A digital twin is essentially a virtual copy of a real object, system, or process, kept up to date with real-time data, IoT, and artificial intelligence. This powerful concept allows us to monitor, predict, and optimize performance like never before. It's transforming industries worldwide, reducing costs, boosting efficiency, and helping us build a smarter, more sustainable future. Let's move to our next slide and understand the overview of this presentation. Digital twin technology is the creation of a dynamic virtual model of a physical object, system, or process. It integrates real-time data collected from sensors, IoT devices, and digital platforms to replicate, monitor, and simulate real-world performance. A digital twin not only mirrors the current state of the asset but also predicts future outcomes using analytics and artificial intelligence. This capability allows organizations to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and optimize decision-making. By bridging the physical and digital worlds, digital twins are becoming a central pillar of Industry 4.0, transforming how industries design, test, and maintain complex systems. They provide a safe, cost-effective environment to experiment and innovate, paving the way for smarter and more sustainable solutions across multiple sectors. The origins of digital twin technology trace back to NASA in the 1960s, when engineers used physical and computer-based replicas to simulate spacecraft conditions during Apollo missions. The formal concept was introduced by Dr. Michael Greaves in 2002, framing digital twins as a key element of product lifecycle management. With the rise of IoT, big data, and cloud computing in the 2010s, digital twins moved from theory into widespread industrial adoption. Today, advances in artificial intelligence, edge computing, and high-speed networks such as 5G have accelerated their capabilities. From manufacturing and aerospace to healthcare and smart cities, digital twins have evolved into a powerful decision-making tool, enabling organizations to optimize performance, anticipate failures, and transform customer experiences. A digital twin works by establishing a continuous feedback loop between the physical asset and its virtual counterpart. Sensors embedded in the physical system collect data such as temperature, vibration, pressure, or energy use. This data is transmitted through IoT devices and networks to cloud or edge platforms, where it is processed and integrated into the digital model. Using artificial intelligence, analytics, and simulation tools, the digital twin updates in real time, reflecting the exact conditions of its physical counterpart. It not only mirrors current performance but can also simulate what-if scenarios to predict future outcomes. This capability enables predictive maintenance, process optimization, and informed decision-making. By running simulations digitally before implementing them physically, businesses can reduce risks, save costs, and ensure efficient operations. A digital twin is a virtual counterpart of a physical product, process, or system that is designed to replicate its characteristics and behavior. Unlike traditional models, a digital twin is dynamic, continuously evolving with input from real-world data sources. Sensors, IoT devices, and data integration platforms collect information such as performance, conditions, and usage, and feed it into the digital model. This constant flow of real-time data allows the digital twin to mirror the current state of its physical counterpart with high accuracy. Organizations can use this digital representation not only as a monitoring tool but also as a platform for innovation and improvement. By interacting with the twin, engineers, researchers, and decision-makers can simulate scenarios, test new strategies, and predict outcomes without disrupting the actual system, reducing risks and costs while boosting efficiency and innovation. One of the most powerful features of digital twins is their ability to provide predictive insights. By combining real-time data with analytics and artificial intelligence, digital twins can forecast potential issues before they occur. For example, in manufacturing, a machine's digital twin can analyze vibration or temperature patterns to predict when maintenance is required, preventing costly downtime. Similarly, in healthcare, digital twins of organs or patient systems are being developed to simulate treatment responses and guide personalized care. In the automotive sector, a digital twin of a vehicle can monitor driving behavior, engine performance, and wear patterns to recommend proactive servicing. These predictive abilities not only save resources but also enhance safety, reliability, and sustainability. With the ability to experiment digitally before implementing physical changes, organizations gain a strategic advantage in managing operations more effectively. The potential of digital twins extends beyond individual assets, covering entire systems and processes. For example, cities are adopting digital twin technology to manage urban infrastructure, optimize traffic flow, reduce energy waste, and support sustainability initiatives. Large-scale industries, such as aerospace, rely on digital twins to simulate aircraft components and ensure safety under extreme conditions. In construction, digital replicas of buildings and infrastructure projects help stakeholders visualize progress, detect design flaws, and monitor life cycle performance. A simple yet relatable example is a smart car's digital twin, which can track engine health, assess driving habits, and predict required maintenance to avoid breakdowns. These applications illustrate the broad versatility of digital twins, showing that they are not just technical tools but transformative enablers that redefine how we design, build, and manage in the digital era. The concept of digital twins dates back to the 1960s when NASA pioneered early versions during the Apollo space program. At that time, engineers created mirrored systems on Earth to replicate spacecraft conditions in real time. This approach allowed them to monitor the Apollo missions closely, diagnose issues, and test solutions remotely before applying them in space. Although the technology was not called digital twin then, it laid the foundation for creating a synchronized relationship between a physical object and its simulated model. These early efforts highlighted the immense value of having a duplicate model to manage complexity and enhance safety in high-risk environments. The term digital twin was formally introduced in 2002 by Dr. Michael Greaves at the University of Michigan as part of his Product Lifecycle Management (PLM) framework. He described it as a digital representation of a physical product across its life cycle, enabling real-time data exchange and feedback between the two. During the 2010s, advancements in IoT, cloud computing, big data, and sensors accelerated the adoption of digital twins. What was once a conceptual model became a practical reality, as industries now had the tools to gather, store, and process vast amounts of operational data. Digital twins moved from aerospace into manufacturing, energy, and healthcare, proving their ability to optimize operations and reduce costs. The term digital twin was formally introduced in 2002 by Dr. Michael Greaves at the University of Michigan as part of his Product Lifecycle Ma. Today, digital twin technology is experiencing rapid growth thanks to artificial intelligence, edge computing, 5G, and AR/VR integration. Modern digital twins can replicate not just machines or products, but also complex systems such as supply chains, factories management, PLM, framework. He described it as a digital representation of a physical product across its life cycle, enabling real-time data exchange and feedback between the two. During the 2010s, advancements in IoT, cloud computing, big data, and sensors accelerated the adoption of digital twins. What was once a conceptual model became a practical reality, as industries now had the tools to gather, store, and process vast amounts of operational data. Digital twins moved from aerospace into manufacturing, energy, and healthcare, proving their ability to optimize operations and reduce costs. Digital twins operate through a constant exchange of data between the physical object and its virtual counterpart. The process begins with sensors embedded in the physical system, which collect information such as temperature, vibration, energy consumption, or operational performance. This data is transmitted via IoT devices and communication networks to a central platform, typically in the cloud or at the edge. Once received, the digital twin uses this information to update its virtual model in real time. By doing so, it provides an accurate and up-to-date representation of the physical asset. This continuous synchronization ensures that any change in the real-world system is instantly reflected in the digital environment. Beyond simple mirroring, digital twins incorporate analytics, machine learning, and simulation tools to interpret the incoming data. These technologies make it possible not only to monitor current performance but also to detect anomalies and predict potential issues. For example, a digital twin of an industrial machine can simulate wear and tear, forecast when a component will fail, and recommend maintenance before breakdowns occur. Organizations can also run what-if simulations in the digital environment, testing different operating conditions or strategies without risking real-world disruptions. This predictive capability transforms the twin from a passive reflection into an active decision support system. The effectiveness of digital twins also depends on visualization and user interaction. Data from the virtual model is displayed through dashboards, 3D models, or immersive AR, VR environments, giving users an intuitive way to understand complex systems. Engineers can virtually explore equipment, operators can track production performance, and city planners can view entire urban infrastructures in real time. By combining sensor data, cloud computing, AI, and visualization, digital twins create a powerful feedback loop that links the digital and physical worlds. This loop empowers organizations to optimize processes, extend asset life cycles, and reduce costs, making digital twins a cornerstone of Industry 4.0 technologies. The foundation of any digital twin lies in the physical asset or system it represents. This could be anything from a single machine component to an entire manufacturing plant or even a city. To capture the state of this physical entity, sensors and IoT devices are integrated into the system. These devices gather critical operational data such as temperature, vibration, energy usage, speed, or pressure. This continuous data collection ensures that the digital twin remains accurate and updated in real time. Without reliable and high-quality input from the physical world, a digital twin cannot function effectively. Thus, smart sensors act as the bridge that connects the real world to its digital reflection. The second vital component is the data infrastructure, which includes cloud computing, edge computing, and communication networks. These systems collect, store, and process vast volumes of data coming from IoT sensors. Cloud platforms allow organizations to scale up easily, manage large datasets, and apply advanced analytics, while edge computing enables faster processing close to the source of data, reducing latency. Together, these systems ensure smooth and secure data flow between the physical and digital models. Alongside this infrastructure, AI and machine learning algorithms play a key role by analyzing data patterns, running simulations, and generating predictive insights that help optimize performance. The final component involves digital modeling, analytics, and visualization tools that allow users to interact with the twin effectively. The digital model itself is a 3D or AI-driven representation of the physical system, continuously updated with live data. Analytics platforms process this information and provide actionable insights, such as predicting failures or suggesting operational adjustments. Visualization dashboards and immersive tools like augmented reality, AR, or virtual reality, VR, help users explore and interpret data intuitively. These interfaces turn raw data into meaningful information, enabling engineers, managers, and decision makers to make smarter choices. Together, these components, physical assets with sensors, data infrastructure, and visualization with analytics, form the backbone of digital twin technology. Digital twins can be classified into different types depending on their scale and purpose. The simplest form is the component twin, which focuses on replicating individual parts or elements of a system. For example, a turbine blade in an aircraft engine may have its own digital twin to monitor stress, wear, and performance. These small-scale twins are crucial because they form the foundation for larger, more complex twins. By monitoring components individually, organizations can ensure quality control, detect potential failures early, and feed accurate data into higher-level models. Moving up in scale, asset twins and system twins replicate more complex structures. An asset twin represents a complete machine or piece of equipment, such as an entire jet engine or a production robot. It provides a full view of how components interact and perform together. System twins, on the other hand, model how multiple assets function as part of a larger process. For instance, a digital twin of a factory production line combines asset twins of individual machines to simulate workflow, efficiency, and bottlenecks. These higher-level twins allow managers to optimize operations across interconnected systems rather than focusing on isolated parts. At the broadest level are process twins, which replicate entire workflows or ecosystems. These twins integrate multiple systems to reflect how processes unfold over time. A supply chain digital twin, for example, tracks inventory, logistics, and demand patterns across different regions, enabling companies to respond to disruptions more effectively. Similarly, smart cities use process twins to model energy grids, transportation systems, and environmental factors. By analyzing these large-scale digital ecosystems, decision-makers can simulate policies, test strategies, and predict long-term outcomes. Together, component, asset, system, and process twins form a hierarchy that allows organizations to scale from monitoring small parts to optimizing global operations. Digital twins are transforming manufacturing and engineering, where they enable real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. By creating virtual models of machines and production lines, companies can simulate different scenarios, optimize workflows, and reduce downtime. For example, an automobile manufacturer can test new designs in a digital environment before physical prototyping, saving time and costs. Similarly, predictive analytics powered by digital twins helps schedule maintenance before a machine fails, ensuring higher productivity and safety. This application is a cornerstone of Industry 4.0, making operations more efficient and resilient. In healthcare, digital twins are revolutionizing patient care and medical research. Virtual models of organs or even entire human bodies can help doctors predict how a patient will respond to treatment. For instance, a digital twin of a heart can simulate the effects of surgery or medication, allowing for highly personalized healthcare. Pharmaceutical companies also use twins to test drug effectiveness virtually, accelerating the research process. Beyond individual patients, hospitals use digital twins of facilities to optimize workflows, improve resource allocation, and ensure smooth operations, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. Digital twins also have broad applications in urban planning, energy, and aerospace. Smart cities use them to model traffic flows, energy usage, and environmental factors, helping governments design sustainable urban ecosystems. In the energy sector, twins of wind farms, power grids, or oil rigs allow operators to optimize energy production and anticipate failures. Aerospace companies like NASA and Boeing rely on digital twins to monitor aircraft and spacecraft, ensuring reliability and safety. By simulating extreme scenarios, engineers can test systems without risking real-world damage. Across these industries, digital twins are not just tools for optimization but also catalysts for innovation and future readiness. One of the most important benefits of digital twins is real-time monitoring of assets and processes. By continuously collecting and analyzing data from sensors, organizations gain immediate insights into the performance of machines, infrastructure, or even entire systems. This enables quick identification of issues, ensures consistent quality, and improves operational efficiency. Alongside this, predictive maintenance plays a crucial role in reducing unexpected failures. Instead of reacting after a breakdown, digital twins forecast potential malfunctions in advance, allowing timely intervention. This not only prevents costly downtime but also extends the life of equipment, creating a more reliable and resilient system overall. Another key advantage lies in cost savings driven by optimized operations. Since digital twins simulate different scenarios before implementation, businesses can avoid expensive trial and error in the physical world. Whether adjusting production lines, testing new product designs, or planning energy usage, organizations can make informed choices that minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Moreover, digital twins support better decision-making through accurate simulations. Leaders can rely on real-time, data-backed predictions rather than assumptions, reducing uncertainty and enabling more strategic planning. This data-driven approach ensures that resources are allocated effectively, resulting in both financial and operational gains. Finally, digital twins play a critical role in driving sustainability. By analyzing energy consumption, resource use, and environmental impact, they enable organizations to reduce unnecessary waste and design greener processes. For instance, in manufacturing, digital twins can optimize energy-intensive operations, while in smart cities, they help manage traffic flow to cut emissions. This balance of efficiency and sustainability not only benefits businesses financially but also aligns with global efforts to combat climate change. Collectively, these benefits, real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, cost reduction, smarter decisions, and sustainable operations, make digital twins a transformative technology shaping the future of industries worldwide. Despite their potential, digital twins face several technological challenges. Building a fully functional digital twin requires vast amounts of real-time data from IoT sensors, cloud systems, and AI models. Collecting, storing, and processing this data at scale demands significant infrastructure and high-speed connectivity, such as 5G. Any gaps in data quality or reliability can lead to inaccurate simulations, undermining the effectiveness of the twin. Additionally, ensuring seamless integration with legacy systems is often complex and costly, as many organizations rely on outdated infrastructure not designed for such advanced solutions. Another critical challenge lies in data security and privacy. Digital twins depend heavily on sensitive operational and organizational data. If breached, this information could expose vulnerabilities, disrupt operations, or even lead to cyber attacks on physical assets. Protecting these systems requires robust cybersecurity measures, compliance with regulations, and constant monitoring. At the same time, organizations must also address data governance issues, deciding who owns, manages, and has access to the digital twins information. Without strong governance frameworks, collaboration across partners, suppliers, and stakeholders can be difficult. Finally, the cost and expertise required to develop and maintain digital twins present a major barrier. Implementing them often involves large upfront investments in sensors, cloud platforms, and AI tools. Small and medium-sized enterprises may struggle with the financial burden, limiting adoption. Beyond costs, there is a shortage of professionals skilled in IoT, AI, and data analytics, which are essential to building and running these systems effectively. This skills gap slows down implementation and raises dependence on specialized vendors. Together, these challenges, technical complexity, security risks, and resource constraints, highlight why digital twin adoption, while promising, remains uneven across industries. In spite of all these challenges, digital twin technology is continuing to grow. It not only carries a beautiful present but also gives many hopes for the future. The future of digital twins looks promising as industries continue to adopt and scale the technology. With the rise of 5G and edge computing, real-time data sharing between physical assets and their digital counterparts will become faster and more reliable. This will enable digital twins to move from specialized use cases into mainstream adoption across sectors such as healthcare, energy, automotive, and smart cities. The technology will no longer be limited to monitoring and optimization but will increasingly drive autonomous operations, predictive intelligence, and large-scale decision-making. One of the most significant future trends is the integration of digital twins with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced simulations. This will allow twins to not only replicate physical systems but also to learn, adapt, and self-optimize over time. For example, a smart city's digital twin could automatically adjust traffic systems to reduce congestion, or a healthcare twin could provide personalized treatments based on patient data. The industrial metaverse, fueled by platforms like NVIDIA Omniverse, will further enhance collaboration, allowing teams to co-create and test innovations in immersive digital environments. These advancements will also improve sustainability by enabling energy-efficient designs, resource optimization, and reduced waste across industries. As digital twins evolve, their role in shaping Industry 4.0 and smart societies will expand significantly. Businesses will rely on them as a foundation for digital transformation strategies, while governments will use them for urban planning, disaster management, and climate resilience. The convergence of IoT, blockchain, and cloud platforms will enhance security, scalability, and interoperability of digital twins, making them integral to connected ecosystems. Ethical considerations such as data privacy and governance will also shape future adoption. By 2035, digital twins are expected to become as common as enterprise software today, forming the backbone of decision-making in enterprises, cities, and healthcare systems. Ultimately, digital twins will not just mirror reality but actively shape a smarter, more sustainable, and resilient world. Siemens has been a global leader in applying digital twin technology within its smart factories. By creating digital replicas of machines, assembly lines, and production processes, Siemens can simulate operations in real time, detect inefficiencies, and predict failures before they occur. This allows manufacturers to optimize workflows, reduce downtime, and cut maintenance costs significantly. Digital twins also enable Siemens to test changes virtually before applying them in physical environments, lowering risks and speeding up innovation. This approach supports highly flexible, data-driven production systems that are essential for Industry 4.0, making factories more adaptive, sustainable, and resilient in a competitive global market. Tesla uses digital twins extensively, with every Tesla car linked to a virtual replica in the cloud. These digital twins monitor vehicle performance in real time, tracking aspects such as battery health, software functions, and mechanical wear. The insights collected are not only used for predictive maintenance but also allow Tesla to deliver over-the-air updates that improve safety, efficiency, and user experience. For example, performance optimization or new features can be rolled out to cars instantly based on aggregated digital twin data. This creates a continuous improvement cycle where cars become smarter and more reliable over time. Tesla's use of digital twins sets a benchmark in the automotive industry, showing how connected products can evolve post-purchase. Singapore has built one of the world's most ambitious digital twin projects, a 3D digital replica of the entire city. This urban-scale digital twin integrates real-time data from infrastructure, traffic systems, energy usage, and environmental sensors. It allows policymakers and planners to simulate scenarios such as population growth, traffic congestion, or energy consumption, and then test solutions virtually before implementing them in the real world. For example, the city can model how new transport routes will affect traffic or how green building designs will reduce energy demand. Beyond planning, the digital twin also supports sustainability goals by helping Singapore monitor carbon emissions and optimize resource use. This large-scale application demonstrates how digital twins can transform entire nations into smarter, more sustainable ecosystems. BMW has embraced digital twin technology to create what it calls a virtual factory. Before physically constructing a plant or starting vehicle production, BMW develops a complete digital twin of the factory, including machines, assembly lines, and worker interactions. Using NVIDIA's Omniverse platform, BMW simulates the entire production environment, testing layouts, workflows, and safety protocols. This allows engineers to identify potential bottlenecks, optimize processes, and improve ergonomics for workers without disrupting real-world operations. Beyond manufacturing, BMW also applies digital twins in vehicle design and testing, enabling rapid prototyping and performance optimization. By combining AI, simulation, and IoT data, BMW reduces costs, accelerates innovation, and ensures higher production efficiency while moving toward more sustainable mobility solutions. Digital twins represent a major step forward in bridging the physical and digital worlds, creating dynamic virtual models that mirror real-world assets, systems, and environments. By combining IoT sensors, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, these twins allow industries to continuously monitor, simulate, and improve operations in ways that were previously impossible. The ability to create real-time digital counterparts of machines, cities, or even human organs provides insights into performance, efficiency, and potential risks. This not only leads to higher productivity but also reduces downtime and operational costs. Companies across sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, automotive, energy, and smart cities are leveraging digital twins to gain a competitive edge. By providing continuous feedback loops between the digital and physical, digital twins ensure that organizations are better equipped to adapt, innovate, and optimize processes. The impact of digital twins goes beyond efficiency. They are becoming powerful enablers of innovation and sustainability. Predictive maintenance powered by digital twins helps organizations anticipate and resolve problems before they escalate, significantly reducing resource waste and unexpected failures. Urban planners are using city-scale twins to model traffic, energy use, and sustainability strategies, while manufacturers design and test products virtually before producing physical prototypes. In the automotive sector, companies like Tesla and BMW rely on digital twins for performance monitoring, software updates, and production optimization. In healthcare, twins of human organs and systems support personalized medicine and safer treatment simulations. These applications not only accelerate innovation but also contribute to global goals of reducing carbon footprints and conserving resources. Looking ahead, digital twins are expected to form the foundation of Industry 4.0 in smart societies. Their integration with emerging technologies like 5G, edge computing, and artificial intelligence will make them even more powerful and accessible. The future will see digital twins becoming standard in industries, cities, and daily life, driving data-driven decision-making and unlocking new possibilities for resilience and innovation. By transforming how we design, operate, and maintain assets, digital twins will play a central role in shaping smarter industries, sustainable cities, and connected societies. They are not just tools of optimization but catalysts for a digital revolution that aligns with the future of work, living, and progress. Here are the references that supported this presentation. They include Gartner's 2023 report on digital twin trends, Siemens Industry Insights, and leading platforms by IBM and Microsoft. We also referred to Michael Greaves' pioneering work on the digital twin concept, along with sources like Medium, LinkedIn, ScienceDirect, Tributech, Birlasoft, and Tubular. This means the content we presented is built on thorough research and credible industry knowledge. Thank you very much for listening to the presentation. If you have any suggestions, improvements, improvisations, please feel free to comment in the comment box. We would be very happy to take your feedback. Do not forget to mention the slide number. All the presentations in this channel would be created on demand basis. So, demand your PPT by commenting in the comment box. We'll be very happy to help you demand your PPT on demand. And finally, do not forget to subscribe, like and share the PPT in the channel. Also, press the bell icon in order to be notified for the next PPT. A very good bye for now. All the best.
PPT on demand.